Hello. Nice moves. You're a good dancer. How about you? You probably have a name, right?
Sarah.
Sarah. I like that name. I like your dancing too. I wish I could dance like that. Speaking of which, there's a dance this Friday at the school auditorium before the new school year starts. If you want to come, I could introduce you to some people. Maybe you can make some friends.
I don't exactly get along with the popular kids, and you're probably one of them, right?
I guess, but I didn't ask to be. I can shoot a pretty good three-pointer, so everyone treats me like I'm special, but trust me, I'm not.
One thing I know is don't trust anyone who says trust me.
Okay. Caught you on a bad day. That's cool. Maybe we could talk some other time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave.
Sarah, you idiot.
Hello there. Saw you sitting here by yourself and, I don't know, thought you might like some company.
Not really.
Nice park. I'm Frankie. You live around here?
I guess so.
I guess so. It's funny. So, like, what do? You a model or something?
A model?
No, you're not a model?
Please.
Actress.
Not even.
Well, you should be. Seriously, there are girls making a fortune as models who aren't half as good looking as you. You got nice structure.
Wow, you're good.
Thanks. Been playing since I was 7. Actually, I'm on the verge of getting a record deal.
Really?
Yeah, there's like 6 companies trying to sign me. I'm just, not sure if I'm ready for the fame. I'm a simple guy. But they say I'm gonna be huge, so I guess I'll just have to get used to it.
Must be nice getting something you've always wanted.
Hey, I was gonna go get some ice cream. Wanna join me?
Hello. Hi, Mom. Oh, just sitting in the park. Okay. Oh, my mom. She's out on a date. I have to go home and make dinner for my brother.
And what about that ice cream offer?
I don't think so. My mom would never let me date an older guy.
Well, if you ask me, I think she doesn't realize how sophisticated you really are.
I'd better go.
Anyways, I'm only 19 and a half.